Hola amigos, hello from Barcelona. I'm DJ.
And I'm Sakshi, and
Welcome to the channel.
So today we are at the La Boqueria market, which is located in central Barcelona. Now this is a market where you can buy fresh produce like fruits and vegetables. There's also dried peppers, there's meat and seafood. Other than that, there are also stalls which are selling snacks and tapas and drinks that you can either take away or enjoy right here. In terms of vegetarian, there is limited options, but there is definitely a few things that we can try. So we'll show you around, and there are a couple of items that we'll try and share the review with you. Later on, we are going to go and try something that's staple to Spain. So you'll have to stay with us to know what it is. So come with us.
Hey folks, we are in La Boqueria market and we are trying some street food over there. So I've got now, this one is spinach and cheese croquette. It looks really amazing. They have few shops which they have some of the vegetarian options, like they have veg croquettes, they have burritos, empanadas, and they have also Spanish tortilla, which is egg. But if you like egg, you can just try that as well. So I'm gonna dig in now. It looks really good. It's really nice. It's like a bread pakoda in India basically. So it has outer filling which is slightly thick, and inside they have spinach and cheese. So overall it's a good thing to try out in this market.
So now we are going to try the couscous and vegetable burrito. In the vegetarian option, they also have a spinach and cheese version. So we decided to go for this one. So let's give it a try. So the couscous is actually a little bit sweet, and the different vegetables like the corns and the capsicum adds that flavor to it. And along with this fried breaded outer layer, it's overall actually a decent vegetarian option that you can try here. And another thing that's great at La Boqueria are the fresh fruits and juices. So you can get fruits or you can get juices, and often they'll combine two or more. So what we've ordered is pineapple and coconut mix. So let's give it a try. Interesting pairing, pineapple with coconut, and it's fresh as hell and so sweet and refreshing.
So folks, we are continuing our food tour in La Boqueria market. So we have just arrived at a place called Paella Bar. So this is right next to the La Boqueria market. So they do have a couple of vegetarian options. So while we were placing order, we just placed the order and Pixie started to cry. And we have to feed her lunch first so that she let us eat our lunch in a peaceful manner and let us shoot the video for you guys. So now we are waiting for our food and Pixie is about to finish her food.
Alright, so our first starter is here. This is Catalan bread that is topped with tomato and olive oil. It's nice, fresh and hot right now, so let's dig in. Oh my god, the breads here are so amazing. This is such a simple starter, but the bread makes all the difference. And you can tell the freshness and the quality of the ingredients. The tomato is so flavorful, the olive oil is just so tasty, and this is also slightly salted. So all of this combined makes such a nice and simple and flavorful starter that you can enjoy along with a glass of wine.
So a vegetarian paella is here, and it has so many different varieties of vegetables. As you can see, it has capsicum, it has butter beans, it has carrots, cherry tomatoes, aubergine, and then I can't even recognize which are the other ones, but it looks really good. The vegetables are really charred and it looks really good. So I'm going to try now. It looks very hot. So I'm going to take butter bean and the rice. So this is really good. This is I think I've tried paella a few times, but this is I think one of the best ones which I've tried. So last time we tried once in Barcelona, but this is better than the last time, I would say. So I've tried a bit more paella just now, and I just started to eat different vegetables which are like really charred and grilled when doing the making of paella. It enhances the overall taste. Really, the grilled vegetables and charred ones, especially, it enhances and takes the paella to overall next level. And the rice, which is the Spanish rice which they use in paella, it's also really nicely cooked with a good amount of flavors in it. So usually you don't find a lot of places where they have vegetarian paellas. So I could find this paella bar which they had a vegetarian option. But you can also find vegetarian paella in some of the vegan restaurants they have here. But I wanted to try somewhere where they make that paella on regular basis, and it's not like multiple dishes restaurant. So this is like a Spanish bar where we are trying this paella. So it tastes really, really good. So there is a stall in La Boqueria market which makes fresh crepes, which has savory and sweet both crepes. So we just got the banana Nutella, which is my favorite, and they made the real in front of you freshly, and it looks amazing. And now I'm gonna just dig in and let you know how is it. So the crepe has really nicely filled bananas. They add a lot of bananas and the hot Nutella, because they were keep boiling the Nutella over there, and they drizzle a lot of Nutella on top of it. It's just amazing. Hot crepe with Nutella and banana. Perfect combination. Thanks for watching the video, guys.
And as always, if you have questions for us, then leave them in the comments. Do hit like, share and subscribe. And muchos gracias for staying with us. Till then, ciao and take care. See you in the next one.